Hi everyone, I've got a Citroen C4 here on a 2009-2010 plate doing a headlight bulb, which is the driver's side, the outer bulb I need to replace on this side here. That one's working, but we're going to check. Can you just switch the lights on for a sec please? Right, as you can see there now, this one here is working, but on this side it isn't. Now you can turn the lights off. Now to do it, quite a simple procedure. Is this back cover you need to remove. Once you've removed the back cover, right, then you've got the plug on the inside, which is this one here. You twist it to your left like this, and then you pull it out. Now you can see these little lugs here on both sides, right? When you do put it back in, make sure it goes in like this. So I'm going to take the bulb out. Now that's the way the bulb would go. You got the top little lug here that would sit in to place, just in there. It's a 2-pin bulb. H11 bulb you need. I'll get the old one out first. That's how it goes in. So once you take it out, you put it back in. Same thing, this lug here goes on the top, connects up, perfect. Now just remember how I took it out. This is the way I took it out, so that's the way it's going to go back in. Once I slot it in, and then I twist it to the right. She's all done now. Let's just check, see if it's working. Do you want to switch the lights on again please? As you can see now, that there is working perfectly fine. That's all you got to do on your one. Any more information, please do let us know. We'll try to help you as much as we can. And the other side is more easier than this one, as this one's got a fuse box in front of it. Thank you very much. Goodbye.